Hey Siri, what's the date today?
Today's date is Wednesday, the 19th of August, 2026.
Welcome back to the channel. We are 2 weeks away from taking my annual September trip, and that means today is packing day. If you followed my travel videos, hey, can we get something out of the way? You have to hit like. Hit like, get that out of the way. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you want to share my channel, that's the best way that this little channel is going to grow. How's the lighting? You want to know why I'm technically handicapped right now? Because I've actually packed most of the things that I use to produce videos. I'm probably a lot different than most people. I don't pack the night before the trip. I pack weeks before the trip, and in this case, months. Every time something came in through Amazon, every time it came in from Amazon, I made piles. Every time I thought of something, I made piles. Every time I was wondering where certain electronics were, I made piles. And then eventually, I saw if the pile fits. That's where we are now. Here are the challenges that I have this year. Everything in one carry-on. You know why? Because it's a skateboard year. The skateboard will be the personal item that's in my hand because everything this year is going into my NOMATIC travel bag 40 liter. Let's actually weigh it. We are coming in at 29 pounds. Right? What's that mean? So that means no matter what, I can't look like I'm struggling. 29 pounds, everything. And then this is my personal item. What's in the bag, did you say? This year, there's new sizes, airline approved carry-ons. Let's measure this. What are the American Airlines carry-on size for 2026?
For 2026, the American Airlines carry-on size limit is
2214.9. 2214.9. Houston, 2214. Oof. We are bloated. On this bag, there are some direct access compartments. This one here, it's what I need on a flight. Paraffin wax earplugs, an eye mask. Are you gonna brush your teeth? Or you're gonna need a toothbrush to do that. These disposable, retractable ones. Immediate items that I need for flight comfort. Immediate items that I need for the vlog, documentation, and camera is in this one. There are 3 cameras in there. The sexy Sony, the underwater mini GoPro, and the Follow Me DJI Osmo. So what happens is when I get on the plane, this goes up in the overhead and these will come out and they'll be on my person during the flight. Oh, also, Meta Ray-Ban. Anyway, before I really get on that flight, all of these have to be charged up. Also, I have an AirTag to trace the bag. So everything gets packed and I find out what fits, what doesn't. Okay, you ready? The best new addition from last year's trip is the Vacbird vacuum travel bags. I used to use cubes and they always felt bulky. This was a game changer last year and I will continue this. So my clothes, see that right there? That is a custom fit to accommodate and also protect the other things in the suitcase. Let's let the air out because I have to add something. I'm gonna do an inventory. I'm gonna take everything out. We're gonna see if it can actually fit in better. This is what it looks like without the clothes. Toiletries for 2.5 weeks. Swim goggles. Electric adapters. DJI Neo 2 drone. This is the drone that I lost in the water last year. And yes, I was sad that it went in the water, but I was more sad that I lost one of my favorite tools for storytelling. Lithium batteries have to be in a carry-on. These couldn't be checked regardless. DJI Mini control. DJI Mini drone. A new addition this year. This is a collapsible backpack, and this will be my backpack once I land. But yeah, I have a backpack in the backpack. Regular Ray-Ban, not Meta. Batteries for the full-size drone. Do you know every year I have a different color baseball hat? In fact, if you show me a picture of me, depending on what color hat, I know what year that was. This year, I'm gonna have a black one. This, I'm excited for because I know that I'm going hiking. I know that I'm going hiking and I needed a head lamp. There's nothing accidental about my trips. Hey, what's this? Okay, Euro from April. These is every wire, every connection, every memory card, every lens cleaner. Oof, this is the 2 terabyte hard drive. You know, I had the one last year and everything got lost. And this year's power bank. And this is how I'm gonna suck the air out of my vacuum travel bags. So this pole is for this camera. This is my adventure underwater pole, which will be for the GoPro. It is a 2 flip-flop kind of year. This is for hiking. This is water shoes. This is a daily shoe. This is, I'm just too tired. I just need 2 slip-on convertibles for my tired dogs. This is the motor for the vacuum bag. We're gonna use that in a second. And folks, that's what I'm bringing to Greece this year. This year's shoes, it is a Nike running shoe. Yeah, I'll have this for the trip, but I can also dress these up. Can I show you what I'm wearing this year? All right, get it? The maroon tie will play with the maroon silk on the back of the vest. A festive pink shirt, and new this year, I didn't even know there was such thing. This is a TSA approved belt because there's no metal in it, and you can get through the scanners. Even though I'm TSA pre-approved, my belt has failed me. Yeah, so actually excited about this. This will get ironed. I'll iron this the night before. Again, I'm dressing for economy basic. Okay, are you ready? Here's the secret to the vacuum packing that I learned last year. All right, seal. All right, see these zippers? Okay, so we line it up here so it secures the fit. Go back and forth. That secures the seal. Nozzle off, right? Push the air out, flat surface. We'll just put this in here. And then this here, and then on. So here's what I like to do. We're going to kneel every bit of space out that we can. All right. Put that on. Like a record album. So here's the deal. Because I did it on the floor, I have a very smooth bottom. I'm gonna let that be the first layer. I'm gonna bring all of the other items in. If I take these clothes, lay them on top, and then suck the air out, the bottom will form fit and protect everything here. So we're gonna fit this here and here. Absolutely. So that's everything. Everything I need for 2 weeks in Greece. Clothes, gear, camera, a backpack inside of a backpack. All packed into a 40-liter NOMATIC bag. And the skateboard gets the seat of honor in my hand. Nice. We leave in less than 2 weeks, and I cannot tell you how excited I am for what I have planned. Yeah, this trip has been months, if not a year, in the making, and I cannot wait to stop talking about it and start doing it. And as always, if you want to support what I'm doing here, the best thing you can do is be here. Watch the videos, leave me a comment, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, do that. Tell a friend, interact with my stuff. It lets me know that you're out there. Sunday, August 30th, Orlando to Charlotte, Charlotte to Athens. Wheels up at 3:36. The bag is packed. The skateboard is ready. And apparently, so am I. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you on our way to Greece. But until then, I've got this trip in the bag.